My brother could cook.
This ain't no cookie show, bro. I thought you were a YouTuber. I thought you recorded videos.
I record a lot of videos. I don't give a shit any video I collect. I'm just like PewDiePie. And fuck you, Dillian. Hackle. Dillian Hackle my dick. Dillian Hackle my dick.
And by the way, subscribe to Carlos, right? Subscribe.
What the fuck is that? I'm gonna kick you.
Subscribe and share. Share on
Look at his
Instagram
badass
also.
show. Yeah, I'm on Instagram too. No, I'm not even signed up to Instagram yet.
Why you fucking had to delete your shit? You're so retarded.
No, I got it. I have it, but I just need it. I want to change my name to Strike Fan. But no, it's Doge Gamer, guys. Okay. You burned your eyes?
No, because I'm freaking flashing in my eye, nigga.
Do a flash in your eyes.
It's like a flash in my eyes, nigga. Stop doing that shit.
She's my sister watching a video about Jumbo.
Whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
We're playing Agario, guys. Here we are in Agario.
Whoever threw that paper.
My sister's playing Agario.
This baby needs some milk.
You see how she's playing Agario? She's really a pro at it, huh?
Yeah.
Why do you make that face?
Cause
Why are you watching your own videos?
I don't know, but I like watching my
You're
own.
watching your own videos. She's watching her own videos.
You want to go watching something?
And she's watching the stupid ass shit.
Baby fucker.
Yeah. Baby fucker. What is in this plate, guys? Guess it. It's lobsters. Just kidding. It's not lobsters. Yes. Guess what he's making?
Chicken McNuggets.
Nigga, you call them chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Oh no, you make me churros. Oh, the what's the one like that?
Called flour. No wait.
No, wait, the what's the one like that? And a PS4 controller. This is your secret ingredients? A PS4 controller?
Yeah. I'm gonna cook it right now.
Oh man, let's jack up. What? ¿Qué?
¿Melón o qué es?
No,
No.
ni arroz. She's eating arroz con leche. I gotta wee. I got a big ass kitchen. You see? Riley, who's better, Dillian the Hacker or PewDiePie? Hey, David, who's better, Dillian the Hacker or PewDiePie?
PewDiePie.
Riley, PewDiePie or Dillian the Hacker?
PewDiePie. He's going pee.
No, don't show that to my video. And look how many food I have. It's so worthless. Guys, help me get food. Just fucking ridiculous. No, my back. Shit. Oh, my jellyfish. Jelly. I'm gonna show you all. I'm showing you something that you can't afford, Valerie. This is outside. Two motherfuckers run from me. My ding. Angel, don't sing that song. It's good. Stop it. Okay, sing them the whole song, Angel. Sing them the whole song.
My ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. My ding-a-ling, big ass fuck. Angel, I'll put a song in. You're gonna sing it, okay?
My ding-a-ling-a-ling-ling-ling. Peace out, nigga. Say peace out. Peace out. Say peace. Oh, you fucking bitch.
Angel, you're gonna sing a song? We're gonna make it next week.